So we did our presentation on artificial intelligence in education. So the purpose of this lecture is to introduce artificial intelligence, present the benefits of AI for students, AI for educators, and how we incorporated Myers 12 principles in this presentation. So firstly, we're going to introduce AI. So AI is an algorithm that mimics human intelligence and can do human-like tasks. This includes systems and machines. An example of a system would be Siri, and machines would be a self-driving car. Like I said, AI can perform human-like tasks and use human-like skills. It can help analyze, recognize, predict information. That's just one of AI's multiple functions, depending on the type of AI. You can apply AI in various industries, for example, healthcare, where AI can read x-rays and give a diagnosis or analysis to doctors. And another usage would be just transportation, where self-driving vehicles would be used to transport people and supplies. So here are the benefits of AI. So the first benefit is increased efficiency. So AI increases efficiency because it helps process and do mundane tasks. By processing, I mean AI can process a large bulk of information really quickly. And by doing these mundane tasks like processing, it frees up people to do more complex and creative tasks. An example of this would be data analysis, where AI can recognize trends in a certain data set. The second benefit AI is enhanced decision making. AI enables personalized recommendations in various online platforms, such as online shopping, entertainment, and content delivery. AI can analyze user preferences to give the best recommendations for users. AI can also improve customer support because AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer questions and support requests around the clock. Yeah, unlike human agents, these AI bots don't need a break, so they can operate 24/7. Another benefit is AI can be used in predictive management. AI, well, that refers to the ability to forecast future outcomes, anticipate trends, and optimize decision-making processes within an organization. Like I said before, AI can be used to analyze data, and it can be used to make predictions based on that data. An example of this would be sales and revenue forecasting, where AI predictive models can analyze sales, market trends, and customer behavior to predict future sales and revenue. The fifth benefit of AI is quality control, which is it helps enhance quality control processes throughout various sectors by leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to automate, optimize, and improve these efforts. For example, AI can predict equipment failures and maintenance needs by analyzing historical trends, sensor readings, and equipment performance metrics. AI can also help enhance safety because it can help analyze data on crime rates, and it can give law enforcement agencies these insights to help them allocate resources more effectively. The seventh benefit of AI is innovation and product development. AI algorithms can analyze large volumes of data to uncover valuable insights and patterns that can inform innovation and product development efforts. AI can also give recommendations on new product ideas and predict what their sales outcomes would be. So what are the benefits of AI for students? So the first benefit of AI for students is the personalized learning that AI can bring for students. Like AI learning software can tailor educational content and learning experiences to individual student needs, preferences, and learning styles. Like Duolingo, where students can learn at their own pace when learning a new language. AI can also give the ability to access resources quicker. Like ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT a quick question and it'll give you resources and an answer at a really quick rate. AI can also improve engagement and developing important skills because its pacing of learning helps students develop their own pace, and its personalization of learning can also help students learn what they want to learn and develop them in the right track. So we have a short video, a short TED talk that talks about the benefits of AI for students, where he talks about the power of AI on guiding students and how AI can personalize students and help answer questions and help increase student learning. On the TED Talk, he shows a graph where it shows that when students are guided, they learn more. So, what are the benefits of AI for teachers? So, the first benefit of AI for teachers is that it can help give personalized instruction to students. Like, for example, AI-powered adaptive learning platforms can help analyze student performance data and adapt the pace, difficulty, and content of instruction to meet each individual student's needs. And AI also has the ability to save time for teachers, where they can use software that can auto grade. They also use AI to create lesson plans and use AI to monitor student processes. AI can also improve engagement and develop living important skills for teachers. Teachers can spend more time on developing their own skills because AI is doing more of the tedious work for them. And AI can also give teachers recommendations about lesson plans, and teachers can learn from these recommendations and incorporate into their learning. And a teacher can also ask AI about teaching strategies, and teachers can learn from the information that they gain from these insights. So, how do we include Mayer's 12 principles of multimedia learning in this presentation? So, the first principle is multimedia, which is the use of combination of text and images that best facilitates learning. So, in our presentation, we use a combination of text and images. The second principle is coherence, which is learning is more effective when unnecessary information is excluded. So we only included necessary information in our presentation. The third principle is signaling, which is drawing attention to vital information. So in our presentation, we use headers and titles to show the importance of a topic. The redundancy principle is when learning is best when there's a combination of both spoken words and graphics, which we did in our presentation. Temporal contiguity is when students learn best when words and pictures are presented at the same time, which is what we did in our presentation. So the spatial principle talks about how text and visuals should be presented close together on the screen to maximize learning. That's what we did. Segmenting principle is talking about how information is spaced in the presentation. That's why I've got different slides and we broke down a certain topic into individual chunks by using bullet points. The pre-train principle talks about how information and how people learn better about new information when they know the basics. That's why we gave a slide on the introduction to AI. The modality principle talks about students learn better from visual and spoken words. This is why we use the limited use of text on our presentation. The voice principle talks about how people learn better when there's a real voice in the presentation. This is done by me talking about the presentation. And next principle is the personalization principle, which is avoidance of formal language and use of everyday language to help engage learners. I use pretty much everyday language to talk through this presentation. And the last principle is the image principle, where visuals are more important than having a speaker's image. That's why we had a lot of visuals in this presentation. That is the end of our presentation, and this is our reference slide. Thank you.